Yo, good morning. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing again. And as we know, there are a large number of microphones that are available. For example, this one. And this one is something that we are all very aware of, I think. Anyone who does any streaming and plays games and so on has used a microphone like that. And so on and so on and so on. And then there's this one, which I'm using for this one. And then we have this one. And this is the unboxing today. I don't know if you can see this so well. But it can be used in a number of different situations. I'll put a link to where this one comes from in the description. Anyway, I have done it a little bit of the back way. I have done a few videos which you can see up there, and those have been visible for quite a while here on the channel by now. Microphones are being used in a lot of different situations and occasions over the years. They started off like just a trumpet before, and as time went on, it evolved into something else. And we have all seen the different types of microphones that have been available. Give me a second here. It seems as if somebody has removed files that shouldn't have been removed. Okay, never mind. Anyway, let's unbox this thing then. And as I said, microphones have been used in a wide variety of different situations over the years. Recording studios, music on stage, and so on. So, empty box. Instruction pamphlet. Pretty straightforward instructions. And then we have the things. This one you connect to the computer or the smartphone or the whatever it is you want to connect it to. On the left and the right of that one, you have the microphones, the charging cable, and USB that you connect to the computer or the PC or the portable or whatever. And as I said, oops, there is a microphone, and it has a pretty sturdy lapel spring, and on the surface of that you see some buttons. And once we have removed the plastic to that one, you have two buttons, plus and a minus. And on the side here you have on, off, and a charging port. And this one has a very hard clip. And you put that on the belt or your pants or wherever you want to put it, and it stays put. I can guarantee that. There are a couple of these wads, windbreakers that are extra, so that one can clean one and then use it for the other one. And so this one you kind of clip on onto your clothes. And then, as you see here, is the phone on the stabilizer. And then you take this thing, turn it on, and you plug it into the phone, like so, in the sound port. And then you take the microphone, let's do this, and you turn on the microphone, and you see what happens there. And once it has stopped blinking, then it's connected and it's good to go. That is basically it. No more, no less. And it works, and it works very well. If we go to the instructions manual, it says something in Chinese, and I can't read Chinese. But it's called UHF wireless Lavalier microphone, the U12 series. And there it says exactly what you have to do. And it's straightforward instructions as well. So there's actually no big deal about it, which for me is very impressive, because often when you get things like this, Um, it's very complicated and it's not straightforward, and there's always something that has to be difficult about it. Where are these available then? They are available on Amazon. And you will see on the link below. The price is really affordable. Like I said in the one video, 20 to 30 meters, I did the eye measurement. The fact is, it's even 100 meters because it's the UHF FM band without too much stuff in the way. Has a very good distance connection. So, 2 microphones, 1 connector, 2 people talking, or just 1. It works perfectly. Or if you just want to have stereo as well, you connect 1 microphone to yourself and the other you put a little ways away. You can pick up some sound effects and whatever. So yeah, do I recommend it? Yeah, I do. It's perfect for the streamer who doesn't want to feel locked to his or her computer and wants to be able to do something back in the room or move around and still have sound. No problems. And if you're broadcasting from your phone, well, that's even better. I mean, you don't need to have feedback hearing if you're broadcasting live on, for example, Twitch. You've got the text chat. Well, that's all for me this time. And that was the unboxing. Thank you for watching and see you next time.